Hey fashion lovers, welcome back to Oujeer. Today, we're diving into leather jackets that are timeless, bold, and effortlessly cool. But the real challenge? Finding a high-quality leather jacket that doesn't cost a small fortune. Today, we're uncovering secrets to score the perfect leather jacket on a budget without compromising on style or quality. Make sure to stick around, because I'll also share a bonus tip that can save you even more cash. Understanding what to look for in a leather jacket. First, let's understand what makes a leather jacket high quality. Check the leather type. Full-grain leather is the best, but genuine leather can be a great budget-friendly option. Next, inspect the stitching. Well-stitched seams mean better durability. Don't forget the lining. A quality lining will make the jacket last longer and feel more comfortable. Where to shop for budget-friendly leather jackets. Now let's talk about where to shop. Online marketplaces like Oujeer are gold mines for vintage leather jackets that are stylish and affordable. They feature both real and faux leather jackets at affordable prices. Budget leather brands worth checking out. For those who prefer buying new, there are budget-friendly brands like Oujeer. They offer stylish options at a fraction of designer prices. Also, keep an eye out for sales and seasonal discounts to snag the best deals. Caring for your leather jacket to make it last. Once you've got your dream jacket, care is crucial to make it last. Use a leather conditioner to keep it from drying out and cracking. Always store it on a sturdy hanger and never in plastic so that it can breathe. Bonus money-saving tips. Here's the bonus tip. Consider buying a plain, budget-friendly jacket and customizing it. Add patches, distress it, or change the zippers for a unique look that reflects your style. There you have it. Finding a high-quality leather jacket on a budget is totally doable if you know where to look and what to look for. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more budget fashion tips, and comment below with your favorite leather jacket shopping hacks. Thanks for watching.